Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my friends. Good morning, my neighbors. Good morning, my students. Yes, na me, your teacher. Ubonga teacher. The teacher where they cut it, Join with pidgin English. And we be the waka avanti avanti. Lady Jen. Yes, and this is our class, Italian pidgin English class. Welcome back to class. Yes, if you are new in this class, please do me a favor. Touch that red button, subscribe. Yes, and turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop an answer, you might go get an answer and see the hot without delay, okay? May God bless you as you do so. Today, as you all know, last time I talked about pronouns, personal pronouns. We'll be saying he, she, if you remember. He, she, it. That is in Italo, lui, lei, io. Like this, like that. Today we are talking about verbs. Verb in Italian, in English, verbs. You see what I've been saying? They're almost the same thing. Verb, verb. We are lucky to be here, as I said before. Our counterparts, our friends in Germany, they're not having it this easy. I'm going to talk of the ones in Asia because I don't have friends that I always interact with. The ones I interact with, the ones in Spain, Germany, Denmark, especially Deutschland, they're not having it. Like 20 years ago. Now people were pen at the vat, people were just come like last 2 years. So if you are here and you have know it or please help us. Go to the comment section, write. Educate me more. Help me if I make mistake. But for here, now for the people who just come, we say they come last year. That's it. We say as a Corovia drivers come. Corona, we know if you go school. So we use this one there. We enhance our brain. After they go see go school, go meet professional. We just they do the hassle with them so that our brain will go close, pata. Okay? So now 3 of those conjugations now we will talk of today. We be saying now are, maybe are, ere, and the ire for verb. That's the one we will talk about today. Avere, essere, finire. It depends. Okay? So make we talk about them now. Those 3 conjugations. When we say they know to the change, especially this one, you know to the change. Mangiare. You know to the change. Make we take up are. For now. Verb are. When we say then they finish for are. Mangiare. Let me use an example. Mangiare. Mangiare. To eat. You know, say we like to eat, now we eat too much. Mangiare. Make I leave these ones for are, ere and ere. Make a bracket there. Now we're talking of this one, mangiare. If you now remember that time where we talk about personal pronoun, we say io. Now remember them? Io, tu, lui, lei, he or she. Lui, lei, or Eli or Ella. So let's use this one. Io, tu, lui, lei, voi, noi, then loro. We will now add them to this one. That was this thing I make when I teach about this personal pronoun. I know can use action word join them because I know say today we go actionalizer. We go use action to back them up. So these array, they are the ones that they don't normally change, but they change based on the person you use it. Verb mangiare. And there are other verbs like ballare. We will talk about that one. Like now, io mangio. Capito? Io mangio. Let me bring it down. You have to shift it. Make you shift. Make I put myself. Alright? Io mangio. Mangio. See, we're talking about verb mangiare, to eat. Action, not to eat. To dance. To climb. To jump. Everything in action. Io mangio. Tu mangi. Tu mangi. Tu mangi? Yes. Io mangio. Tu mangi. It's a present tense. We're not talking of past tense or mangiato. Tu è mangiato. No, we are talking of present verb. I am dancing now, not I danced. I am running now. Everything is now. Now present as we are talking about now. You understand? So this mangiare, make a shift on. Io mangio, that is I eat. I eat. Now the io mangio, I eat. Tu mangi, you eat. You see, in English it's the same eat. The same eat. Lui, lei, mangi. That is he or she. Okay? Mangi. Lui, lei, mangia. Mangia. You see how? He or she eats. He or she. If it's in English, it will now carry as eats because it's a singular. He, one person, she. I'm not talking about two of them. When you become two of them, you cannot carry s. It's only one person singular. Okay? Voi, mangiate. Voi, mangiate. Listen. Mangiate. Yes, voi means you. You all. Eat. You cannot put s because all is plural. Cannot follow by singular again. Okay? Noi mangiamo. Mangiamo. We eat. We eat. Loro mangiano. Mangiano. They eat. They eat. You see, I'm not. Today we're talking about only verb array. Next time we'll talk about this because it's plenty. I know if we finish on one day. Let's say look at the particular look for the first time. Now check out the difference. When they say ere, it's the same at the beginning, they are the same. Mangi. You see, G. See where it changes. That's why they call it conjugation because they are together. The only thing that changes them depends on the person, the pronoun that changes it. You see now, io mangio. Oh. Anything that has to do with me for are is all. Io bevo, io mangio, io ballo, io parlo, talking. Everything now, oh. If you carry them for your head, also. If you carry those things for your head, they walk out for road. Io mangio, io ballo, io parlo. Oh, everything now. Oh, and I ain't gonna either. If you carry for your head, your case don't solve itself. Might be that. Tu mangi. If you carry this E for your brain, they walk E for your head. For now, the second person where they talk about you, tu mangi. two barley, two parley. Everything e. Make I put right and so that you understand. You understand that very well. Okay? Io mangi. Io parlo. Io parlo. I talk. Or let me use balla. Because we do the dance. Io ballo. Ballo. You see? That is where ballare. Oh, look at that. Oh, why they tell you? Oh. Even parla. Io parlo. Oh, parlo. Parlo. Oh. Everything that get to do with me, everything will concern me now. When I end up. If you carry that one for your head, or tongue, then be that. Make up mouth parlor because I go do that one for yourself. Balliamo. Noi. Balliamo. We are dancing. We. Balliamo. Noi. Balliamo. You see, amo. Everything. Noi. It ends for amo. For this area. For this area. Bravare. Loro. Mangiano. Loro ballano. Loro ballano. Ballano. Non si hanno. Hanno. Loro hanno, loro ballano, loro parlano, loro corrono, loro fanno tutto. Hanno, sempre hanno. Amo, ate, balla, I. Okay? Let's move on. Another one we are going to use again. It's almost the same thing. So I'm just giving us another example now. After one example now, there's no need to put it when we stop. The next time we take the okay, let me use another one of are of this one. Io mangio, io parlo. I've done that one before. Io parlo. There are so many, but for now I know they feel. Remember, I say even anytime I enter class, that's everything goes come off from my head. You see, io parlo. See, I'm the same O. Tu parli. Tu parli. You see, sempre I. The same I, imola. Io. Lui, lei, parla. Noi siamo lui, lei parla. Very easy. Noi siamo the same O. I, sorry, the same O, 9 ender. Voi parlate. Voi, that is voi means you all. Parlate. Noi siamo anche. The same anti. You see, that is what this are does. At the end, it will only change, but the beginning remains the same. But in these two cases, they are not the same. When we enter them, we will see. Noi, parliamo, parliamo. Siamo, parliamo. we about the talk. Loro mangiano, loro parlano. Loro o essi parlano. 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 Hanno. Amo. Ate. Mangia. Oh, you see. Very easy. As I always say, Italona, when you put your head, no come they say, oh, this Italo too hard, I no fit speak. Nobody fits stay in a country, you no go fit learn that language. That country, you are not going anywhere. Even if they find job, give you, you know fit. Simple English, how are you fine? Where you come, where you they go. If you not communicate, your colleagues, those way to all of them they work, they will even say, you know happy, you know one work, you know sabi work. When we say I even work past them because you know understand what they talk. So now the language, now be the Congo language and culture. Any country where you go today, if you don't learn their language, if you don't learn their culture, now be say you better come out for that country because it's only 1 out of 10 now you make them if you don't learn language. And now that was before. When we say here 1990, early 20s, early 2000, when we say work, they beg people make them come work. Even without language, you can still share later. You can do those. But for now, when we say Italo don't enter this crisis, now you see Corona drivers carrying you come drive your car. My brother, my sister, you don't mind be that. Learn language. Me too, I see the learn. I will go for further studies. Okay? Learning is in grade. And for this place now, we dey make am funny, we dey make am easy, we go cut and we go join am. Because even that Italian language where they go, they use Italian. Nobody go because they cut and follow for English. They not get that kind of one. Unless now for YouTube like this one, you go see people way better pass me. Even if you don't want to watch my own, watch other people own. Okay? I rest my case. As you all know, let I give another example before I go end this course. Like we have talked of ballad, that's to dance. Correre, io corro, loro tu corri, you tu corri. Simple examples. You man where they watch me, write down one comment. Give me example using. Let me give you an assignment. Maybe baby. Let me give you example of baby to give me to write it for me. Io bevo, tu bevi, I bevi. Lui, lei beve. Voi bevete. Noi beviamo. Loro bevono. Like this, we move on. Before I forget, if you are new in this channel, do me a favor. Click on that red button. Support my minister. May God bless you. Till then, don't forget next class we are going to talk about this area. Read more about it so that you can see when I come and go they enter where they are they enter for your blangata. May God bless you as you do so. I still remain your lady, Mary Jane of Lady of this one another. Once I get to channels, I make me the confuse myself. That one Lady Jane Concept TV. This one now Italian speaking English class. And now the same Lady Jane, now they do that one, now they do this one. You know, support my channel. May God bless you. Ciao.